Stripe versus Payoneer for payment processing, explained in depth and focused on e-commerce, freelancers, and small businesses. Voiceover script: PayPal versus Stripe versus Payoneer. Which payment processor is right for you? If you run an online business, accept freelance payments, or sell globally, this choice can make a big difference. Let's break it down. First, PayPal. PayPal is the most widely recognized online payment brand in the world. Setup is super simple. Just create an account, link your bank, and you can start receiving payments immediately. For customers, PayPal is trusted, and many prefer it because they already have accounts. But the downsides? Fees can be high, especially for international payments. PayPal often charges up to 4.4% plus currency conversion fees. Another issue is account holds. PayPal can freeze funds for weeks if they detect suspicious activity, which is frustrating for businesses. Next, Stripe. Stripe is a developer-friendly platform that integrates directly into your website or app. Unlike PayPal, customers don't leave your site to pay, which usually means higher conversion rates. Stripe supports credit and debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and over 100 local payment methods worldwide, perfect for e-commerce and SaaS. The fees are about 2.9% plus 30 cents domestically, and slightly lower than PayPal for international payments. Stripe also has advanced features like subscription billing, invoicing, marketplace payouts, and fraud protection, making it ideal for scaling businesses. The only catch? Setup may require more technical integration, especially if you're not using Shopify or WooCommerce. Finally, Payoneer. Payoneer is very popular among freelancers, agencies, and international businesses. Instead of being a full checkout processor like Stripe or PayPal, Payoneer is more focused on cross-border payments. You can receive payments from clients worldwide, often with lower fees than PayPal. For example, Payoneer lets you receive local bank transfers in USD, EUR, GBP, and more, as if you had a bank account in those countries. It also integrates with platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Amazon, and Airbnb. The fees are usually around 1% for receiving USD from clients, and withdrawing to your local bank is often cheaper than PayPal. However, Payoneer doesn't give you a customizable checkout experience like Stripe, so it's not the best fit for e-commerce stores. So, which one should you choose? Go with PayPal if you want quick setup and a trusted name your customers already know. Go with Stripe if you run an e-commerce or SaaS business and need advanced checkout, subscriptions, and lower fees. Go with Payoneer if you're a freelancer, agency, or global seller who needs cheap international transfers and payouts. And the smartest move? Many businesses use a combination. Stripe for their website checkout, PayPal for customers who prefer it, and Payoneer for receiving international client payments. So tell me in the comments, which payment processor are you using right now? PayPal, Stripe, or Payoneer? Do you also want me to make a shorter 60-second script for